Good morning, faculty and colleagues. Today, I, Dr. Ravleen Kaur Dung, a PG student from Shri Guru Ramdas Institute of Dental Sciences and Research, Amritsar, Punjab, I'm here to present a laboratory procedure for the fabrication of duplicate denture by copy denture technique. It is appropriate to reproduce or duplicate the good features of an old and familiar denture when it has been worn comfortably and healthily for a long while, but it is now loose or structurally defective with, for example, excessive abrasion of teeth or resin porosities, etc. The technique described is designed to serve the majority of patients and to remain acceptable in terms of cost, technical services necessary, and convenience of the patient. The completed duplicate dentures are produced in 3 visits instead of the usual 5 visits and without the loss of opportunity to check all their features at the second visit before processing. Armamentarium, impression trays, the upper cast after taking the patient's impression, lower denture which has been repaired, BP blade, carver, wax knife, wax sheets, alginate, Vaseline, lighter, blowtorch, and mean value articulator. Wax sheet is heated over the flame and rolled to form a sprue with a diameter of around 1 centimeter. The extra wax is cut off. The sprue is attached to the retromolar pad area of the polished surface of the denture and it is sealed using a wax knife. Similarly, it is applied on the other side of the denture. The impression trays, and this is how we are going to place the denture in between the impression trays to form a mold like cavity. Alginate is mixed and loaded in the impression tray. Denture is taken and the polished surface is pressed onto the into the alginate in the impression tray till the edge is of the denture. The excess of alginate is removed using a BP blade. Vaseline is applied onto the alginate surfaces. Alginate is mixed and loaded into the tissue surface of the denture and an oversized tray is loaded with alginate and pressed onto the the tissue surfaces of the denture. When set, the mold is opened when set. And we remove the denture and the sprues. The denture is being removed and the sprues also. The mold is reassembled. Wax is heated and poured from one side till it comes out from the other side. Once cooled, this wax is cooled, we open the rubber band, remove the rubber band and open the mold. To get a waxed denture. It is removed using a carver. The excess of the wax is removed using the BP blade. Dental stone is mixed and the waxed denture it is poured with the tissue surface is poured with this dental stone, the type 3 gypsum product. Base is applied The upper and the lower casts are mounted on a mean value articulator with a waxed denture. Teeth set with a similar shade and size is chosen, and alternate teeth are arranged. They are replaced. All the teeth are replaced, and the denture is processed. And here we get the old and the new denture, which is very similar. This is the polished surface of the denture. This is the tissue surface of the denture. Thank you.